Experiencing microphone problems with your HyperX Cloud Stinger 2? Let's get it sorted. The most common causes are related to the cable, the audio drivers, or permission settings. First, check the cable connection. Ensure it's firmly plugged into both the headset and your device. Inspect the cable for any visible damage like frays or bent pins, especially if using a USB-C connection. Next, rule out simple muting issues. Is the mic physically muted on the headset or muted in your operating system or application like Discord? If those are clear, move on to driver and permissions checks. If the cable isn't the issue, update your audio drivers. Outdated or conflicting drivers can prevent the mic from working correctly. In Windows, use Device Manager to update the Realtek or generic audio drivers. HyperX also offers Ngenuity software, but compatibility can vary, so check their website. Finally, verify microphone permissions. Modern operating systems require apps to have explicit permission to access your microphone. Check your OS settings to ensure the application you're using has the necessary access. Addressing these three areas will resolve most HyperX Cloud Stinger 2 mic issues, getting you back in the game or on your call quickly.